The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact hammer drill driver. 400 inch-pounds of max torque. Compact and lightweight design. 2-speed drill plus hammer drill mode. Drives 163-inch screws per charge. 3/8-inch keyless auto lock chuck with 15+1 clutch settings. New Bosch Cool Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion compact hammer drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.